Molly the shrink.
Mark.
This is
Maybe
Mark.
you're just gonna be fine, and you just need this pep talk. You just need to chew and swallow. You just need to get this done. I mean, it's just a chicken fluff thing. I mean, you did it a million times at the table.
I mean, my finger.
You did not break your finger. Toughen up, be a man.
You were doing this, so I did it on my
No, I'm just gonna say it this way. Ow! Your shrink ain't very good.
Chew and swallow. I mean, you're never
Mark.
gonna see these people again.
I
If
know
you're weird,
that.
everybody's weird. I'm weird. Let's go be weird.
Okay, wait. Do it.
I'm looking. I know.
You sit down. Go do it. Do it.
Go down.
Oh my gosh. Do it. Do it. Right now. No, don't. Get back there. Stop. Turn around. Come on. Do it. Please, we'll kiss your feet. Well, she can kiss your feet. Okay.
I'm gonna break my knee and then I won't be able to do it with
Okay,
you.
Mark. Listen to me. You can do
I'm
it.
waiting for freaky Chinese dude to move.
Who cares about it?
In front of freaking Chinese people like chicken.
Mark, remember Chinese chicken? Think about the Chinese.
Chinese.
Yeah, that. Now go do it.
Raise that chicken. Get down. Turn around. Get down. Turn.